It looks like right now in Ocean City, nothing like what's happening, of course, down south. And that has many people vacationing there a little happy on the happy side. WMAR 2 News' Don Harrison joins us now from the shore tonight.
Many of these vacationers were nervous all week long, worrying about what Hurricane Florence was going to do with their weekend plans. Many of them feel like they dodged a bullet here in Ocean City.
I was a little nervous Sunday, but I'm okay now.
Anthony and Diane Schaefer came to the beach to celebrate her retirement. They have been planning this for a year.
It was a little nerve-wracking, needless to say, but we're not afraid of a challenge.
Swimming in the ocean is a challenge many people are not up for. The beach is open, but beach patrol guards are encouraging swimmers not to go in at all or stay close to the shore. Public Works has pulled most of the boxes and guard stands off the beach just in case winds pick up over the weekend. The size of Florence offshore had some people up in the air about their beach plans.
First, we canceled the reservation, and then we changed our mind since the storm kind of changed a different path.
We remade our reservations actually yesterday morning.
Those that decided to throw caution to the wind, literally, are happy they made the choice to come to the beach.
Warm, but windy too, which we like, so that's all we need.
So vacationers will continue on with their plans as Ocean City officials continue to keep an eye on the weather after this weekend because Sunfest will be here next weekend. In Ocean City, Don Harrison, WMAR 2 News.